Very good morning, children. Today we will learn more about angles and measurement by discussing about length of a sector, or sorry, length of an arc and area of a sector. Last time in the chapter we learned how to convert degree to radian and radian to degree. Okay, this time we'll use those degree to radian concepts and we'll revisit length of arc and area of sector, which you have studied in 10th standard. So if you remember, you have studied length of arc as the formula theta upon 360 degree into 2 pi r, correct? When I say this is a circle, this is my radius, this is my central angle, and this part, this curve part AB is called as length of the arc. It is denoted by S. So your length of arc means S. This was the formula you studied last year with degree notation. So when I talk about radian notation, your length of arc becomes S is equal to r theta. The new formula, S is equal to r theta, where theta must always be in radian. If you are using this formula, theta should be in radian. If you are using this formula, theta must be in degree. Now similarly, you have studied what is area of sector, correct? Area of sector formula was theta upon 360 degree into pi r square, correct? This is my sector, if you remember. So area of sector was theta upon 360 into pi r square, which now becomes r square half r square theta. Area of sector का formula है half r square theta. Again, when theta is in radian. Nothing new we have done. We have just converted degree to radian to make a new formula for area of sector. Now it's up to you what you want to use it. Okay? Is it clear? Next. Now let's move on to the numericals. Find the length of an arc of a circle which subtends an angle of 108 degree at the center if the radius of circle is 15 centimeter. Now let's solve the sums with those formulas. Now children, it's up to you by which formula you solve it. Okay. So now if I talk about the first one, find the length of the arc. It means you have to find S, which subtends an angle of, it is 108 degree. Okay. So my theta is given as 108 degree and radius of circle is 15 centimeter. Now you know the formula is S is equal to r theta, correct? But make sure when you use S is equal to r theta, theta must be in radian. R is 15, theta is 108 degree. So I'll convert into radian, that is into pi upon 180. Okay? Now you can solve and tell me the answer. Like 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 36 are, then 36, 3s are 3 3 cut. So length of arc is somewhat pi centimeter. Okay, length of arc is pi centimeter. Just check the calculation once. 36 3s are, yeah, 36 3s are 108, 36. Okay, so answer is pi centimeter. You can keep the answer in pi also. Okay. Next, same type of sum, only a small change over here. Radius of circle is 9 centimeter. Find the length of the arc which cuts off a chord of length equal to radius. So now see, here it means if I draw a circle, the length of chord is same as radius of circle. So this triangle becomes an equilateral triangle. So automatically theta becomes 60 degree. What is the value of theta here? 60 degree, correct? So again I'll write S is equal to r theta. Your r is 9, your theta is 60 degree. 60 degree matlab pi by 3. So length of arc will be 3 pi centimeter. Okay, length of arc will be 3 pi centimeter. ठीक है? Next, two arcs of same length. It means S1 is equal to S2 is given, having angles theta 1 as 60 degree, theta 2 as 75 degree. You have to find ratio of radii, that is R1 upon R2. Okay, so here we know that length of arcs are equal, so I'll say S1 is equal to S2, that is R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. So R1 upon R2 comes out to be theta 2 upon theta 1, correct? 15 fours are 15 fives are. Therefore, ratio comes out to be 5:4. Okay? Here they have not mentioned what ratio, so you can write R1 upon R2 also, or you can find R2 upon R1 also. Understood? Now next, now here sums are based on area of sector. They have given area of circle, that is pi r square is given to you as 25 centimeter square. You have to find the length of arc if theta given as 144 degree. Okay, also you have to find area of the corresponding sector. So if you remember your last year's formula, area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square, correct? Here pi r square is given, theta is given, so 144 upon 360 into, what is pi r square given to you? 25. You solve this calculation and get the answer. So it will be how much? 12, 12s are 144, 12 30s are 6 2s are 6 5s are 5 5s are. So answer is 10 centimeter square. Since I am finding area, it will be 10 centimeter square. Okay. So now from area you can find the radius of circle. You know area of circle is pi r square, which is 25. Oh sorry, it should 25 pi. Extremely sorry. So it will be 10 pi. Okay. So area of circle is 25 pi. From here you find the radius, which comes out to be 5 centimeter. And now you know the radius, you know theta, so you can find S is equal to R theta. Calculation part you will try. Okay. Any doubts children? ठीक है. Next, let us draw a diagram. There is a circle with center O, and PQ is the sector of a circle with POQ 30 degree. You have to find area enclosed by arc PQ and chord PQ. This is my chord PQ. I am interested in finding this area, this shaded region. So if you observe carefully, my area of shaded region will be what? Yes, area of sector minus area of triangle, correct? Area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. R is how much? 15. Now see, for area of triangle, let us learn new concept. If this is my triangle given to me, this is A, B, C, and I know this is A, this is B, then this area of triangle comes out to be half AB sine theta. Half AB sine theta. This formula you are going to learn in 12th standard, but right now we can use it. It is half AB sine theta. So it will be half AB, that is radius of circle, and sine theta means sine 30. So it becomes 30, 0 0 cut, 3 12s are 360. So 15 into 15 pi upon 12 minus 15 into 15, sine 30 is half. So it is 1 by 4. You can take 225 common. What is left? Also you can take 4 common. So pi by 3 minus 1. Simplify and get the answer. Just one trick, you should remember this formula. It will become more easy for you to find the solution. Okay? Understood? Next. Now here a very interesting part. They have given perimeter of a sector. ये मेरा sector है. This is R, and this is length of arc. So this perimeter is given to me. So what is given to me? R plus length of arc is given as 20 centimeter, and area of circle is given to me as 25 pi. So if I solve area of circle, that is pi r square, which is 25 pi, pi cut. So I get R as 5 centimeter. Now the moment I know R, I can substitute here to get S. So it will be 10 plus S is equal to 20. Therefore, I'll get S as 10 centimeter. Correct? Now you know formula of area of sector. Area of sector formula is half r square theta. That is r into r theta. What is r given to you? 5. And what is r theta? S. What is S? 10. Correct? So it comes out to be 25 centimeter square. So area of sector comes out to be 25 centimeter square. Understood? This was all about angles and measurement. Okay. Thank you.